I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I welcome, or I say hi to all my subscribers. I have about 3 or 4,000 of them. Today, I want to talk to you about why you get audited and the number one reason you get audited. You know, there's a lot of reasons you can get audited, tons. Errors on your return, you didn't file a foreign return, you've taken too many credits, IRS got information on you. I could probably list 15 reasons right now why you get audited, but the number one reason that you get audited is because of your DIF score. It stands for the Discriminatory Index Function Score. That is the number one reason that you get audited. I put many articles out and YouTubes out about different reasons that you get audited. I should know. I can look at a tax return obviously and tell you whether you get audited, but let me tell you the most common reasons. You can go on Google and find out different reasons and all that. Here's the bottom line. IRS has algorithms and filters for everything. About 10 years ago, IRS really wasn't really good at this. IRS has got really good on filtering and picking what they need to do by using low-hanging fruit. They're better now at picking out their statistics and find out where they're going to collect their money and all this. They were horrible at that before. But with the sophistication, by the way, it's really interesting. IRS has 60 systems that still run on COBOL from the 1960s, but some of the audit filters are a lot better. So let me just get to the point and tell you why you get audited. The DIF score, the Discriminatory Index Function Score, is simply this. IRS's algorithms have scanned your returns. Everything, every single line item, every number on your return goes into a particular IRS filter. From that, IRS knows what the norms are for that dollar amount, for where you live, for every dependent, every dollar you deduct, income and everything. And what it does this immediate analysis of your return. Now, it's okay not to stay within the national average. For, let's say there's 30 different things that they look at: interest and taxes and car expenses and travel and entertainment. It's okay to fall out of those national standards in some. But what IRS does, they're looking at a cumulative number. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you have flag scores worth 100 points. That means different areas you are over, some you are low, but your flag score is going up and up and up because you're falling out of national averages. Once those returns are put together, you have people go to the service center and look over those tax returns. And then those people will determine which tax returns get audited. It's easy to spot an IRS audit because it's so obvious that people have used these really inflated numbers. I go ahead, when we fill out our returns at our office, if we have higher deductions for certain clients, we put an attachment to show them that we actually have the expense item for that. So you're going to get audited because your tax return is falling out of the IRS algorithm that's called the Discriminatory Index Function Number. If you file a clean return, you don't have nothing to worry about. But here's a tip you need to use. If you have expenses that really are out of the way up, just attach something. For instance, I have 2 homes and my interest expense is high. I go ahead and I attach my interest statements to there so IRS actually sees that I have them. That's a way to stay out of an IRS audit. If you do get audited, give us a call. We have a bunch of former IRS agents that can really help you out. Thank you much. If this was good for you, give me a subscription. YouTube says, hey, we love subscriptions, so I'd certainly love that. And if you get an audit letter, don't get all caught up with it. You can get represented, so don't go screaming if that happens, and relax. You will live on tomorrow. Anyway, give me a subscription. Leave me a comment. You'll find me in the description section below. You'll find out where to get a hold of me. Thank you very much.